Hey, how you doing, everybody? Welcome back to Big Frogs 4x4. So I wanted to share a quick story with you. We had a customer come into the shop not long ago who said he did his own fuel pump. And we did like the fuel volume test and voltage test and everything we could, and we determined it came down to an issue in the fuel tank. We thought maybe the hose got pinched or something, or the sock was clogged because he didn't think he changed the sock on the fuel pump because the fuel pump didn't come with one. The issue was after he installed the new fuel pump, anything over half throttle, the car would just completely die, fall on its face. And we narrowed it down to something inside the fuel pump, and fuel pump area inside the fuel tank. When we would test drive it, anything under half throttle, it ran fine. As soon as you go past half throttle, it would just start to die, fall on its face, stay running, but it fall on its face. Fuel pressure would drop from 60 down to anywhere between 10 and 15 psi. So we ended up dropping the tank, and pulling the fuel pump out, and the whole unit out, and I'll show you here what we found. So what we found is the customer installed this fuel pump and forgot to remove the cap off the bottom of the fuel pump where the screen hooks up. The reason it ran so well is because that cap was cracked, allowing some fuel to get in. So thanks for watching Big Frogs 4x4. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that bell if you want notified of each video as it comes out. And as always, God bless.